Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia. I am so happy you are here. In today's practice, we are going to be doing back bends for beginners. So if you are new to back bends and are just learning to explore this world, this is the perfect video for you. All right, we're gonna begin in a child's pose. Coming onto your knees, bringing the knees wide to the edge of the mat. Big toes touch, hands walk forward, dropping the forehead down and coming to your breath. Landing into the practice, letting go of the day so far. Landing into your body, landing into space. On your next inhale, make your way up. Bring your knees under your hips, wrists under your shoulders. We'll come into a tabletop and we'll begin our cat-cow. Inhale to drop the belly, chest comes forward. Exhale to round. Moving slowly, following your breath. Really feeling into your cow posture here, into what your pelvis is doing. Feeling the tilt, feeling the front body lengthen as much as a back bend is called a back bend. It's really lengthening of the front body so that you can actually get into that posture. Coming through neutral spine, we're going to sit all the way up on our knees. Roll your shoulders back. Now I want you to think of lifting the ribs up and away from the hips. We'll lengthen through the front body just to feel that. Then relax that down. One more time, lift the ribs up and away, lengthening through the front body. Just really feeling in and release. Come back through tabletop, tuck the toes. Let's find our down dog. Pedaling out the feet here, taking any other movement that you might need. And we'll settle into our down dog and we'll hold this for 3 deep breaths. Step to the front of the mat. We will meet in a forward fold, relaxing your head down. Root to rise here. Let's come all the way up. Circle sweep your hands up, palms together, drop them down the midline, and we'll find Tadasana. Palms facing forward, chest lifts. Taking a bit of a wider stance here with your feet till you feel really sturdy. We'll bring our hands into Anjali Mudra. And again, we're gonna bring that lifting sensation, lifting the ribs away from the hips, lengthening our front body. From here, I invite you to engage your glutes. Really connect with the soles of your feet on the mat. And if you like, you can begin to tilt your head up. Continuing to lengthen through the front body. Finding your full expression here. As you contract your glutes, you find you probably feel a little more sturdy and like you have a bit more capacity to bend. Hold for one more deep breath. To come out, send the hips back first, lift the shoulders forward, and then gently bring the head forward. Release the hands down to your side, and we're just going to sway left to right here. It's always a really good idea to take time to reset after any type of back bend. They are intense on the body, especially if you are new to back bends. All right. Inhale to circle, sweep your hands up, palms together, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift, plant the hands, step back to plank. Hold for a breath in, and exhale to slowly come down onto your belly. We're gonna bring our hands by our side, and we're gonna work on our cobra here. Let's take this really nice and slow. You engage your glutes, connect with your core. Inhale, lift the chest, and then press through the hands. Once you come into your cobra, imagine pulling the chest through, more so than bending the back. We'll hold here for 3 deep breaths. And pushing back to tabletop. Come to sit back on your heels, bring your hands to your knees, and we're gonna do a few spinal flexions to continue to warm up the spine. All right, so our peak pose for this class is going to be our half camel. So we want to come up onto our knees. If your knees are sensitive, please bring some pillows or a blanket. Option to tuck the toes if you need a little more room, or you can leave the feet flat, whichever works best. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our right hand back to touch the right heel, and then inhale that left arm up and over as we come back into our half camel. Holding here for 5 deep breaths. So you might not want to go as far as you can go. Just slowly allow yourself to melt. Engaging your glutes, remembering to lift the ribs up and away. To come out, bring your left hand down, send your hips back, and reset through center. Let's take one more deep breath in and out. Now we'll set up for the other side. So left hand reaches back, finds that heel. Inhale to reach your right arm up and over. Engaging your glutes, lifting the ribs up and away. Beautiful work. Send the hips back. Slowly come up. Hands on the thighs, sitting back on our heels. Closing down your eyes, just let your body recalibrate. That was a lot of work. To help our body reset, we'll come to a side twist to the right, bringing your left hand over to the right knee. Gently looking over your right shoulder. Switching sides. Back through center. Swing your feet around. Bring your legs out long. Inhale your arms up and exhale to hinge forward. Option to bend the knees. Take this slow as a counter pose to our back bends. Slowly allowing yourself to melt. Nice deep breath in. Exhale to roll out. An option to come to lie on your back in Shavasana or to join me in easy pose. And we'll end our practice today with a meditation. Bringing your hands into Gyan Mudra, index finger under thumb, wrists on the knees, palms facing up. Gently dropping chin to chest, relaxing your shoulders back and down. Finding your breath. If the mind starts to run away with a to-do list or anything, just bringing it back to the breath. your hands over your heart space. Take a nice deep breath in and out to close. Thank you so much for spending your time, energy, and practice with me. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe, like this video, and share with a friend who might need it. If you're looking for more support, I am a yoga teacher and somatic coach, and I have many helpful offerings I will leave in the description below. I hope you have an amazing day.